filter spatial type questions. So today we will be solving one problem which has came in GATE 2022. It is not exact type of numerical. It is slightly based on theory. So in theory we will be learning more about filters. For current who knows about these types of filters, they only will be able to solve this question. But you can listen and see how to approach for now. More we will cover in theory. Okay. So in this question, there are four types of filter which has been given. One minute. So this is one type, low frequency. One is high, then Laplacian filter, and then Sobel operator filter. So first briefly I will tell about all filters. That is, first is low frequency filter. So what happens in this type of filter? First is use case is like it will smooth or blur the image. Okay. So how quickly pixel value changes in a space. So in this means image, how quickly pixel values changes, that is defined by low frequency filter. In low frequency there will be a small change, okay, and in high frequency there will be large change. So in low frequency filters we are taking like average mean that we are taking in filter. So you can say like this is when we are multiplying each values of image with 1, we are taking mean. Okay, so this will blur the image. Okay, if you are not understanding now, completely fine, we will see more in theory. So just you have to remember that how quickly pixel value change in a space, that defines it. Like in low frequency it will be a small change, in high frequency it will be large change. So this first type itself, this will be low frequency. Okay, so one is P. Then for high frequency, how fastly it changes in space. So you will see like in this 4, how fastly it changes is in this only. Like here 5 is there, so it will enhance like one particular feature it will enhance. So high frequency filter, what it does is suppose there is large negative value at center or large positive value at center and other values are negative, so it is changing fast like -2 to 5. Okay, so that type of filter we will say it as high frequency filter, and it detects sharp edges because it will decrease the value, it will decrease or increase the value large. Like when we will have one image and this is high frequency filter, which is 1 -2 1 -2 5 -2 1 -2 1. So when we will corresponding multiply with this image value, then what it will do is when e is multiplied with 5, okay, so this will enhance like it is big number with which we are multiplying, and other values similarly will be degraded, so it will help us enhance the middle value. Okay, so this is high spatial type of filter, high frequency filter. And you don't need to see this much, this we will see in theory, but now you can remember in whichever there will be large value change, no, that will be high frequency filter. So you can say this is this. Then Sobel operator filter is one type, like which will either detect vertical edges or it will detect horizontal edges. This may be any one type. So you can see like the, this type of filter will having value like either this is -1 to -1, 0 0 0 and 1 to 1. Okay, so this is one type, or other may be like simply -1 to -0 0 0 and 1 to 1. Either type it may be. So one type will be like vertical edges detecting and other will be horizontal edges detecting. So this is fixed type. And in Laplacian filter we detect both edges, like all type of edges, and it is 1 second order derivative. Okay, and negative will be in middle and other will be positive values. So it detect edges is all direction. Okay, so this is Laplacian filter. This we will read more in theory and it is more of theoretical question. So that time I will be explaining more. So currently what we have got is first is P, second is R, third is S, and fourth is Q. So we'll see the option in which this is given. So first P and 4Q. So this C, second R and third S. Second R and third S. So these two are the answer. Numerical we will be saying in tomorrow's video. That will be more important. But this was one base, so I have explained this question also. Thank you.